Want to add some cool and creative backgrounds to your Instagram Reels? Instagram's awesome new green screen feature lets you replace your background with photos, giving your videos a whole new vibe. Here's how to use it. Open Instagram and head over to your profile. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen and select Reel from the menu. Tap the camera icon in the top left to start recording your reel. To activate the green screen, hit the green screen icon on the right side of the screen. It looks like a small image with a person in front. Next, you can switch between the front and rear camera to record yourself however you like. If you're using the front camera, this works best for close-up shots. Once you've set up your camera, tap on Change Background. This will open your phone's gallery, where you can pick any image you want for your new backdrop. Or you can choose from Instagram's preset backgrounds for some fun, creative scenes. You can zoom in or out to adjust your position on screen, making sure you're perfectly framed in your new background. Keep experimenting with different images and effects to find the perfect setting.